Yeah, this song is going on to that Emo Spider Girl. Yeah, I had to make this for you. This is inspired by you. Emo Spider Girl, she's a emo spider girl. She's a emo spider girl, and she is trapped in her universe. Emo Spider Girl, emo spider girl, emo spider girl, and she's trapped in her own universe. Emo Spider Girl in her red spider suit. If a nigga jump, she will shoot. Cause she's a emo spider girl. She got them webs to get you caught, and she got money to go bought. Oh, lawyers for the fucking case, because she's a emo spider girl. Emo spider girl. Emo spider girl. She's trapped in her own universe. Emo spider girl. Emo spider girl. Emo spider girl, and she's trapped in her own universe. In a room, listen to tunes that over the moon. She like the emo shit, she like the evil shit. She like to call niggas cringe, but I'm really not. Yes, I'm not cringe. Baby girl, yes, I'm not cringe, but you better know my heart's cold like a fridge. Because you evil emo girl, or she's a spider girl, trapped in her own universe. She is a emo spider girl. Emo spider girl, Jada. Evil spider girl, Jada. Evil spider girl, she's trapped in her own universe. Emo spider girl. Emo spider girl. Emo spider girl, and she's trapped in her own universe.